Hello everyone. Log into your AWS account. Then click on EC2. Click on Launch Instance. So for creating a new virtual machine, we need to launch an instance. So give a name of your own choice. So I have kept my Windows as the name and click on Windows because we are creating an Windows virtual machine. So after that, keep everything as default and click on create a new key pair and type a name of your own choice. I'm keeping as Varsha and keep the default settings as it is and click on create key pair. Here we will be downloading an PEM file. Click on save and we have successfully downloaded the PEM file and and keep the other all the settings as it is and click on launch instance. So here we are launching an instance. So we have successfully launched the instance. So go click on instance here. So check search for the instance which we created now. Here it is my Windows, the instance which I created just now. Check here it is initializing. The status is here initializing. So wait until it gives us 3 by 3 pass checks. Once it gets passed, we can further proceed with our project. Here we can see the instance which we created. The status is checked and it is passed also. So now let's proceed with the other things. So click on connect, go to RDP client and download the remote desktop file. And here we have successfully downloaded the remote desktop file here and click on get password now. So now we have to upload a file which we created, which we downloaded in key pair file. This is the file which we downloaded while during creating the key pair. So we have successfully uploaded. Click on decrypt password. We have got the password and the username is administrator. So next we have to go to Linux system. Our project is that we have to launch an Windows virtual machine and access it from a Linux operating system. So for Linux operating system, I have first downloaded Oracle VirtualBox. In that, I have downloaded Ubuntu. So in Ubuntu, go to terminal. So this is the Linux system which I have downloaded and from here I am connecting my Linux to Windows operating system which I am going to launch in AWS. So go to terminal, type sudo snap install Remmina. This Remmina is used for connecting RTP client of my Linux OS system to the Windows virtual machine. So through this, I can connect my Linux operating system to Windows virtual machine. So click on. So here I am downloading. Here it is showing it is already installed. I have already installed the Remmina. So type the sudo snap install Remmina to install the Remmina, and so go to search and search for Remmina. Click on it. Remmina application will be open as you see here. So click on plus since we have to create a new connection file, and we are using RDP because we have kept in launching instance we have kept RDP as a default, so we need to use RDP. So here click on RDP remote desktop protocol, and for server go to AWS account and go to instance. Click on instance ID. So for server, we need public IPv4 address. So this is the public IPv4 address. Fill this in server area. So we have got 13.48.119.160. This is, and for username, here we have got username as administrator. So type administrator. Administrator. And for password, or this is the password, and copy this password in the password area. So after that, click on save and connect. Here click on yes. Here as you can see we are successfully connecting to the Windows virtual machine in our Linux operating system. It's getting loaded. As you can see here, the Windows operating system has been connected. See the Windows desktop is visible to us now. So here we have completed our project that launching Windows virtual machine on AWS and accessing it remotely from a Linux system using RDP client. Here the Windows VM is opened in the Remmina, and you can access, click on Windows, and we can access everything from here. And here we have the administrator as user and power off button, and everything is available here. Thank you.